Hello, good morning, my dear students. Today I'm going to start a new chapter, chapter number 8, The Hack Driver, from Footprint Without Feet. Before learning the story of this chapter, I will give the introduction to this story. A young lawyer comes to a village to serve summons on Oliver Lutkins. A young lawyer. Who is lawyer? Lawyer means advocate. A young lawyer comes to a village to serve summons on Oliver Lutkins. A friendly hack driver takes him round the village in search of Lutkins. Does he find him? Who is Lutkins? These answers to these questions can be found in this introduction to the story. Now I am going to introduce the story. The writer was a law graduate. Who was the writer? Writer was an advocate. He joined as a clerk in a big law firm. He was given the job of serving summons on witness. What was his job? His job in the firm was to serve summons on witnesses. Once he was sent to New Million, a small town. What is the name of the town, of the village? New Million, that was 40 miles away. He was to serve summons on a man called Oliver Lutkins. There he met a hack driver at the station. That man looked very friendly. He offered to help the writer to look for Oliver Lutkins. The hack driver drove the writer in his hack all day. हैक इज अ कैरेज, एक गाड़ी होती है, एक टैक्सी टाइप की. उसमें वो हैक ड्राइवर उसको पूरे दिन लेके घूमा. बट व्हाट हैपन्स, द सेम हैक ड्राइवर इज द सेम मैन about whose the narrator was in search of. The hack driver was Oliver Lutkins. This is clear in the story. As we will see its summary, all things will be cleared. Okay? Now I am going towards its summary point wise. The narrator goes to the New Million. New Million is the name of that village where the narrator was sent to serve the summons. The narrator states that he passed his graduation with honors. Honors is a subject. Honors में उसने graduation किया. Then he became a junior assistant clerk in a good law firm. He was sent to serve summons. Some beat him up. He had to go to dirty places to serve summons on people. उसको कुछ लोगों ने पिटाई की और उसे गंदी जगहों पर सम्मन्स लेकर के लोगों को बांटने के लिए भेजने का काम उसको दिया गया. मीट्स डिलीवरी मैन Oliver Lutkins. He meets the man who is Oliver Lutkins there. One day he was sent to New Million. It was a town 40 miles in the countryside. 40 miles away from his countryside. He had to serve summons on Mr. Oliver Lutkins. He reached New Million. It had muddy streets. He met the delivery man at the station. ये एक मडी स्ट्रीट थी और वो एक डिलीवरी मैन के से वो स्टेशन पे मिला. द डिलीवरी मैन वॉज अबाउट 40. हिज एज वॉज 40 years. He had a red face and looked cheerful. That man's face was red and he was looking cheerful. He had a dirty dress but had a friendly manner. That man's nature was very friendly. Whom he met there. Next point, help from delivery man. What type of help he got from the delivery man? The narrator told him that he wanted to find a man named Oliver Lutkins. He replied to the narrator that he had seen Lutkins about an hour ago. What he replied? That new man replied that he had seen Lutkins 1 hour ago. The narrator, किसके खोज में नरेटर को भेजा गया था? नरेटर एक लॉयर था, एडवोकेट था और उसको वो एक बड़ी लॉ फर्म में काम उसको मिल गया, लेकिन उसको उसकी एडवोकेसी मतलब उसकी वकालत को से अलग हटके उसको काम दिया गया. वो काम ये था कि वो दूर गांव में जाकर के मडी स्ट्रीट्स में जाकर के समन्स सर्व करे. और वो ऑलिवर लुटकिंस का एक सम्मन उसको दिया गया और वो न्यू मिलियन नामक गांव में वहाँ पर जाता है और वो सम्मन उसको देना चाहता है. और जिससे वो मिलता है वो उसको कहता है कि ऑलिवर लुटकिंस जिसकी आपको खोज है वो अभी 1 घंटे पहले ही मुझे मिला था. द नरेटर टोल्ड हिम दैट ही wanted to see him at any cost. The man told the narrator that he had a hack. He also told him that he knew most of the places where Lutkins would hang around. Or he told that many places he searched him out, but he did not meet him. Search for Lutkins begins. Now again he starts searching for Lutkins. The narrator found the man to be open and friendly. He had genuine kindness. एक अजीब टाइप की उसके अंदर जो है modesty कह सकते हैं. We can say modesty and humbleness he had. He agreed to pay him $2 per hour. Who agreed? The narrator. Narrator agreed that hack driver, that man, to pay him $2 per hour for his help. The man with the hack told that he had to take money from Lutkins. He told, तो फिर वो आदमी जो हैक उसकी गाड़ी के साथ था, गाड़ीवान, उसने बताया कि he had to take money from Lutkins. उसको लटकिन से पैसे लेने थे. वो लटकिन से पैसे मांगता था और वो भी उसकी तलाश में था. He told narrator about one thing. If he went to Lutkins to get money in fancy clothes, Lutkins would